Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Mutual of Omaha, more specifically how you can order checks for your Mutual of Omaha bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what a check is and how it's used, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your Mutual of Omaha bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use on your phone will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Mutual of Omaha website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, simply mutualofomaha.com. You can also check out the description for the link to Mutual of Omaha. The first way to order checks is by logging on to your Mutual of Omaha account online. To do this, you're going to click on the menu button, which is located at the top right corner of the screen in blue. So you'll click on that, and then that's going to bring you to this little menu here, and you can click on Sign In on the right side of the screen. So you'll click on that, and then once again, you'll look for the Sign In button and click on that. There is also an option if you don't have sign-in credentials, you can register and then just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the registration process. So you click on Sign In, that'll open a new tab where you can enter your username or your email address and your password, and once again there's another Sign Up button right at the bottom if you don't have those yet. So you'll enter your username and password and then click Sign In. Once you're in, you're going to go to banking options and order checks online. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Mutual of Omaha. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your Mutual of Omaha debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find this phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Mutual of Omaha website, but that can sometimes be a little tricky to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways that you can find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way to order checks is going to be through third-party vendor websites. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Mutual of Omaha. I already have this tab up, and I've already typed in the search bar order replacement checks for Mutual of Omaha. And what this does is it brings up several websites that you can use to order checks: Bradford Check Exchange, Checks in the Mail, Checks Unlimited, just a few examples of websites that you can use. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor, and if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Mutual of Omaha bank account number and routing number. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on Mutual of Omaha.